Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to get all the column names from the Excel. So first, I am going to show you here that this is our Excel file, the simple file that I am going to use here for this example. We have actually three columns. First is employee ID, state code and full name. So here we can see this, but I want all these column names so that I can use this column name somewhere in our project. So first I will collect this, I will extract this name and then I will use somewhere in my project. Again, once I will done with this part, I will go with this. So this is just to extract all the names so that you can use these things in your project. Okay. So for that, let me take one assign activity, that is just for the Excel file path. Okay, so it seems we already have this. Now keep this file name here. Now take this file name, copy, double quotation, paste this and here put here .xlsx. So this is the file name. Now take here read range activity because we need column counts from that Excel. So Excel file path, sheet 1, delete this, take the data table, that is employee DT. Now take here one assign activity and take here one variable column names, right? So this will have the collection of columns and right here data table like employee DT dot columns and click OK. Now here you can see it says that we need to store in the collection of data columns. So go to the variable, click on column name, click on this variable type, browse for types, right here data column collection, take this one. Okay, so the type is data column collection. Now take here for each and change the name, that is column, for each column, and write this column names because this is a collection of data column. You can also change this if you want, so you can change like data column. So just take data column, not data collection. Now take here message box, or you can take here right line. So let me take here right line and write here column dot to string. Now so here we have three columns. Close this, run this. Go to output and you can see here we have three columns: employee ID, state code and full name. So in each column we are getting our column name. So if you want to do some further development, you can take here if condition, if column name equal to like your specific column that you want to work. Let's say you want to work with the employee ID only, or you want to work with the full name. So you will write here if condition, if this column equals to full name, then go through the true condition. No, then go through the else part and loop through one more time, like that. So I hope this is helpful for you. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.